Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. This is good. There's another video out quicker than I thought it would be. So we had the bins made up, the beds, the raised beds made up last time. We wanted to do turfing. It's raining horrible, not the best time to do turfing, but we have got another job we're going to do today. All of this tired fence which needs to come down. We're going to get rid of this, and then we are going to look at extending the bed, and I'll show you now. So we're going to look to extend this bed here, so it's going to swoop around the garden. So you can see at the minute, currently curves around. We're going to have that curving round, swooping round. At some point in the spring, get planting. But for now, we need to get rid of this and hopefully just see what it looks like. It's going to really open the garden up, so we're going to have to really plan to see what we can actually do. Concrete bits here, they need to be broken out. The fence is really, the trellising is really old, so that needs to just come down. Don't think it's going to be too difficult, but a little bit tidying up in there as well. And then that is another video sort of for this kind of end of the back garden project. This is coming in March. We'll get this sorted because it's just so wet, it's puddling. Where I had to stand and work to prune the apple trees last time. So yes, but anyway, let's get into the video, let's get cracking, and I hope you're all doing really well. And also guys, don't forget, if you enjoyed the content, consider liking and subscribing as well. That'd be brilliant. Let's crack on. Right, so I'm gonna have to talk a little bit louder because for some reason my microphone is not working, which is a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna try and unscrew these from the wood. Hopefully this is gonna allow us just to pull the trellising away. First things first, actually, I might see if I can just get the spade in there and release these so they don't just all fall down as one big happy family. Oh, I mean, these are literally rotting. Whoa. Go. Ugh. Didn't even know that was going to happen. Just leant against it and it's come away. Whoa. This is coming out rather easy. I didn't expect that to come out that easy, to be there. I mean, it's already looking better already. Opens it up. So plan is just to kind of continue in sort of round, maybe just sort of bring the bed round and then build it up a little bit, not too much, but enough so it kind of closes off the back a little bit, but we've actually got sort of that separation as well. When originally we were going to redo the trellising, but the customer said she fancies something different. She's going to have the patio redone, so this way we can get more plants and stuff in here. And it'll be a nice little hidden away sort of allotment planting area, should I say. A couple of raised beds, a couple of potatoes, some yummy carrots. But yeah, let's get cracking. going to be a bit more difficult to get that one out, but I'll have to just dig around it and hopefully it'll just tug out. Yeah, it's got a bit of wobble on there. Right, so in this part, got an old rose and an old jasmine. Getting rid of it all. I'm going to try and keep this rose because it runs up here, so I'm actually going to try and cut this back. But for now, all this other stuff is going to go. Yeah, replanting, get something nice and new in there. So, the vision so far, or should I say, not the vision, the view so far. Yeah, it's opened that up quite a bit, hasn't it? But you can kind of get an idea of what we're going to go for. Bed continues, fills the gap, and then you've got that behind little veg patch. Next up is actually getting in there because that's where the rose is at, so I need to actually go and get something that's going to cut through that because that's pretty thick. Well, these are blunt. Don't ever buy steel loppers, they are useless. Got beautiful viburnum in flower at this time of year. I will have to cut some of that back, but it'll be fine next year. So there's a shot from a distance. Looking pretty good, to be honest. I think once this viburnum's had its flower, I will give it a better shape. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I think I quite like the idea. I do like the bit through the middle, but I'll speak to the customer, see what she wants. She might decide actually no, I want it to sort of just loop round the garden, sort of curves around and finishes here. But yeah, let's get this tidied up and then on to the next part, which is got to get these posts out, dig out all this crap, and then if I get time today, get the bed made. If not, that'll be the next video. Good stuff. Set the old ash tree out. So I'm lifting some old turf which was placed here by a previous landscaper who was doing some work for her, but it just looks naff. It was there just to fill the gap, but going to get rid of it, turn it over, place it on top of each other, and it will just turn into like a topsoil over time, and then we can just break it and spread it. A fine specimen of concrete post. Oh. There you go. Oh, she's got a big bottom, which is what I like actually. Oh, well, doesn't that make a big difference there? Seems just so much bigger now. Okay guys, so we have marked out the curve. You can see this curve here, and now we are going to grid it off, which we've done, and now we're going to lift the turf up. It is really wet and horrible, not the best sort of time to be doing this, but I want to just be careful I don't disrupt too much of this. I don't mind walking all over this and this being all squelchy and horrible, but I want to try and look after this part of the lawn anyway. Let's get cracking. So we've got a lovely curve there, just a straight edge at the back. Probably would be a curved edge at some point, but there you go. There you get an idea of what it actually looks like. Is this what you thought it would look like? Obviously from watching the video, did you think it was going to turn out like that, or did you think it was going to be different? Let us know in the comments. I think it looks really good. I'm really pleased with it. It's really wet, boggy. There's still work to do on the bed itself because there's still roots and stuff, but I'm not going to get in just yet because it's just mud. I'm just walking mud everywhere, so I'll wait for a drier day to get in and actually really fine tune the bed, get those roots and stuff out, and then I've got a bit of manure over the back here I had left over, get that in, work that into the bed. But yeah, this is it guys, shot from this angle as well so you can get an idea. So when you're looking there, you see that flow down towards the little summer house bit. Looks lovely. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Hope everyone's doing well, and as always guys, if you enjoy the content, consider liking and subscribing. Peace.